Introducing the powerful Siemens SIMATIC S7-300 PLC system with 307 1EA010 AA0, 315 2EH14 0AB0, and 342 5DA030XE0 modules. A robust and reliable automation platform designed for advanced industrial control and process management applications. Manufactured by Siemens, the SIMATIC S7-300 series is trusted worldwide for its performance, flexibility, and long-term reliability. This configuration includes the Siemens 307 1EA010 AA0 power supply module, the 315 2EH14 0AB0 CPU processor module, and the 342 5DA030 XE0 communication module, creating a complete PLC control solution for complex automation tasks.